In the previous stage, we just saw how effortlessly our champion sales consultant Samir conducted the discussion with our customer. Samir tried really hard to understand the customer's profile and needs in detail in the form of a casual informal discussion. Well, in this case, our customer was pretty sure about buying the Rapid. But many customers visiting the showroom are not always sure about the vehicle they want to buy. And such scenarios are a real test of a sales consultant's skills. In such situations where the customer is undecided about the model, the sales consultant should understand the customer's state and unstated needs and guide the customer to choose the right vehicle. Now in the demo and test drive stage, we will see the ideal way of giving a demo and test drive experience to our customers. In some scenarios, the customer might walk into the showroom and would want to skip the initial stages in our sales process and proceed directly to the car he or she are looking for. In such a scenario, our sales consultant should be in a position to explain all the features of the car as well as understand the customer's profile using need analysis docket on the go. There are two types of demonstration techniques, basic and advanced. In basic car demonstration, we expect our sales consultant to highlight the features of the car that meet the customer's requirements and resolve the queries raised by the customer. In advanced car demonstration, our sales consultant should follow the E2I technique, that is, the exterior, the engine, and the interior. Wherein the sales consultant must, firstly, talk about the front side and the rear profile of the car exteriors. Secondly, talk about the engine highlights under the bonnet. And lastly, talk about the features inside the car. In the previous stage, our sales consultant conducted the need analysis with Mr. Kumar. Let's see how he demonstrates the car to him.
Mr. Kumar, allow me to give you a detailed demonstration of the Rapid.
Yeah, but give me a quick demo so we can move to the test drive. I want to spend maximum time on the drive.
Sure, sir, that will work. I'll give you a detailed demo once we're back from the test drive.
Okay,
Sir, just give me 2 minutes, I'll be back.
sure.
Sir?
Yeah.
Let's proceed.
Sure.
Sir, please.
Thank you.
Sir, please have a seat.
The interiors are looking plush.
Yes, sir. So the interiors of the Rapid are made up of high quality soft touch materials, and you can observe the amazing fit and finish inside the cabin. So I'll just join you there.
Please. I love this driving wheel. I think it's very well designed.
Yes, Mr. Kumar. It comes with tilt and telescopic adjustments and also with steering mounted controls.
Oh, really? I thought it only has tilt adjustments.
No, sir. Are you feeling comfortable? Otherwise, let me show you how to adjust the steering.
Sure.
All right, sir.
There you go. That's better. Yeah.
Mr. Kumar, Rapid state-of-the-art color touchscreen central infotainment system gives your drive the symphony that it deserves. With the SmartLink system, the Rapid's infotainment system enables you to use your phone safely while driving.
Oh, Samir, it has all the latest technologies packed inside. And it's very easy to use too.
Yes, sir, absolutely. You can even control the system with these steering mounted controls.
Oh, that's fantastic.
And sir, Rapid also has cruise control which you can operate from this lever. You can just relax your feet while driving on highways and the Rapid will automatically maintain its speed.
That's something interesting.
Sir, this cool glove box allows you to enjoy your beverages while going on those long road trips. It will always keep your picnic ready.
That's interesting.
This is one clever feature which you'll find very useful. You can store your visiting cards using this Smart Clip card holder. And sir, this reading lamp will definitely help you read even at night.
This is really amazing. I like it.
Yes, sir. Sir, apart from this, we have many more features. Sir, Rapid's rear seats are designed to give a comfortable ride experience. What's your feeling, sir?
Yeah, you're right. This is comfortable.
Sir, you mentioned that you're looking for a safe car with high safety standards.
Absolutely. Safety is a must.
Sir, Rapid is by far one of the safest cars in its segment. Rapid comes with 4 airbags along with electronic stability control. It also synchronizes ABS for improved behavior while understeering or oversteering. And sir, as you must be aware, ABS allows you to have better vehicle control in tough braking situations.
Absolutely.
So now I just want to tell you certain other features which I haven't covered so far.
Yeah, this is comfortable. And good to know that Skoda takes passenger safety so seriously.
Thanks, sir. And talking about convenience, it has rear AC vents for faster cooling in the rear.
Okay.
Also, sir, there are many storage spaces available at the rear side of the cabin.
Ah, nice. Now I would love to see the car from outside.
Sure, sir. Request you to please step outside.
Okay.
Sir, let me quickly talk about some exterior design elements of the Rapid.
Sure.
So the Rapid incorporates the brand's trademark crystalline design language. In its sharp angles and contours, one can unmistakably trace the inspiration back to traditional Bohemian crystals.
I agree. I mean, the design of the car is really catchy.
Yes, sir,
Yeah.
it is. So when you look at it from the front, it surely looks like a car from a much more premium segment. The quad-cut projector headlights light up every inch of the road with meticulous precision.
They do look sharp indeed. Yeah. So, can we go for a test drive now?
Sure, sir. This way, please.
Alright.
Well, you just saw how effortlessly our champion sales consultant Samir demonstrated the Rapid to Mr. Kumar. By now, Mr. Kumar must have definitely fallen in love with the car. Now I'll give you some tips to make this demonstration an even better experience. Number 1. While giving the demonstration, never lean on the car. Number 2. Make sure you don't talk about the competition product unless the customer initiates the discussion. Number 3. Always keep in mind that you have to first convince the customer for the product and then for the services. Number 4. Try to follow the prescribed process but skip to the test drive or demonstration as per the customer's wish.